In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record your screen on an iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On the settings, scroll down a bit until you find Control Center. And here we need to add screen recording tool to our Control Center. To do that, I'm gonna scroll down until I find screen recording here. And then we need to tap at the plus button next to it, and it will be immediately moved to included controls. Here it is. After that, we can hop out settings, and now to start recording our screen, we just need to swipe down from the top right corner to head over to the control center, and that's where we can easily find screen recording shortcut. If you would like to record your screen with the microphone turned off, just tap at that button, and after 3 seconds countdown it will start recording your screen. While the screen is being recorded, it will show you that red dot at the left side of the dynamic island. And then to stop screen recording, we need to tap on it and then tap at stop, and it will immediately save the recording to Photos app. Here at Recents, we can easily find it. However, if you would like to comment on your screen recording video, you need to long press at that icon. Down below here it says microphone off. Microphone is always off by default, however, we can easily activate it. And then to start recording a screen, we need to tap right here. And after a 3 seconds countdown, it will start recording the screen, and then in the same way we can stop it, and in the same way we can easily find the screen recording video at Photos app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.